Hey viewers, welcome on another odd episode of this corner on OPC TV, where we analyze different trends from around us, anything that you've missed over the weekend, during the week. Yeah, I'm here, I got you. A lot has happened over the weekend, this week, and it's still cooking. Everything be like bass, boss, be. Have you heard that they are trying to arrest Pastor Adeboye, Kumuyi, and others over this Twitter ban, this Twitter matter? As in, is it even constitutional? Like, Lori Kinney, is it constitutional with everything wrong in Nigeria? They want to arrest men of God. They want to arrest people. They want to arrest us. Until we say they use Twitter. If I hear, they should go and arrest Malami first. Even if they do arrest us, El-Rufai will be our #1 cellmate. Yeah. It was even said that President Buhari is not aware of the Twitter ban. What is he ever aware of? Every time you be like, our president is not aware. President is not aware. Like, for real? You're not aware of what? Oh my goodness. But are you aware of the Gongon killings? Because he hasn't even addressed the issue yet. Isn't he the presidency? Like, why would he not be aware of something like that? Obviously, they're lying. Just like Lai Mohammed, lying everywhere. It's saying that, can you imagine what he's spewing? Spewing rubbish. Saying that Twitter are trying to negotiate with them. What is Twitter negotiating? You ban them and Twitter themselves say that we are trying to negotiate. Negotiate with him. Lai Mohammed, you are such a liar. Linus. Lai Mohammed. But really, what do you think? Do you think Lai Mohammed is lying? Because he's definitely lying. For me, if you ask me, he's definitely lying. Lai Mohammed. Buhari and Lai Mohammed, they fit. They're like 5 and 6. They fit each other. Bah! They should get married. Like, if we're a lady, they should get married. Heard of the Gongon killings, our president, Boo Boo, is yet to address the issue, just like I said before. Is yet to address the issue. Yet he has time to travel to Lagos just to commission railway projects. Are we not done for in this country? Who did we offend?
VGS, known as Bakassi Boys, was on Monday, June 7, set ablaze by angry traders. The office, which is situated within the popular Umaya timber market, was burned down after the Bakassi Boys were accused of killing a trader during a squabble with the State Board of Internal Revenue Service, which sealed shops over non-payment of 18,000 naira fee on same day. Commandment of the AVGS, Mr. Idika Ubimon, the burning of their office and an operational van of the security outfit, denied that a trader was killed by his men. He said, "We have gone round the entire hospitals in Umaya, including Federal Medical Center, FMC, but there was no case of gunshot injury patient or body from timber shed in the facilities that we visited." Police spokesman Jeffrey Ogbuna confirmed that some traders were injured, but said there was no death.
Buhari does not have time for a Gongon right now. Twitter ban is what has overshadowed his mind. You can imagine. May peace reign in Nigeria. May peace reign in Gongon. Because he's yet to address the issue. Like, what president? Can you imagine that? So, on the day Buhari visited Lagos, all roads got blocked. On top of say President Buhari, they come Lagos. Everywhere, pa. Just to commission railway projects. Different entourage lined up. See the video now. Different entourage lined up with all the emo unrest, Igongon killings, yeah, Benue, yeah, everything wrong in this country. Very, tiptoeing, to Lagos State. just to commission. I'm saying just to commission railway. Everywhere block. And different governors, came to, receive him. Governor Sanwo-Olu, Governor Fayemi, all the way from Ekiti State. No be small thing. It's like all the politicians in Nigeria, them know well, they love to spew rubbish. They love to say rubbish. Yeah, what this Abia State governor has to say, what he had to say about his achievements for 6 years on Channels television. He embarrassed himself totally. He was like, we have cinema, we have marketplace, we have Domino's. Is it the government to construct all those things? Is it the government to Domino's? Is it not privately owned? What is your business with Domino's marketplace? MOJB. Let me cut my tongue. MOJB. Watch it. So that you know that I'm lying. It's totally embarrassing. So national television, no.
Of Abia State in the last 6 years.
Today in Aba, you have Domino's, you have Chicken Republic.
I've been at cinema. Wow, man.
You have marketplace. You have everything in Aba. You even have a cinema in Aba.
With all the paparazzi on Wednesday, traffic everywhere, only for Inspector General of Police Alkali's Reception to be disrupted by thunderstorm, by rain, heavy wind. OMG! It was at the Lagos Police Command Ikeja when all this happened. Reception, to receive him, there was even cake, everything, canopy, everybody, only for the rain, thunderstorm. You can see that God is fighting for us in this country. Is he not? Oh yes, he's fighting for us. I don't know, but yeah, he's fighting for us. The way the wind flipped the canopy, I heard somebody speaking in tongues on the ground like, you ain't seen nothing yet.
I'm not the rainmaker. I don't even know. If I not say myself, you can ride in you now. I'll check.
To the youths, let me be serious now. To the youths, Buhari has said that if you want jobs, you have to behave yourselves. I'll say it again. Buhari said, if you want jobs, behave yourselves. I can't be serious with this. Behave yourselves. What is he trying to do? What is it? Are we dogs? We behave yourselves. Or is it our father that is telling us to behave ourselves and so that we give us, goodies? What are we babies? What is it? Hello, boo boo. Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your freaking mind? Check out the video, guys. For he's really talking like our father. This is how dictators. This is how they rule. This is how they rule.
Why? Because nobody is going to invest in an insecure environment. So I told them, I said they should tell the youth that if they want jobs, they will behave themselves, make sure Nigeria is secure so that people can come and invest. Nigeria is a source for people know it. We are a rich country. God has endowed us. But nobody can bring, look at the 200 buses bought by the former governor of Lagos. Some of these boys went and banned the vehicle. The governor made an album, came and I took the album and put it aside. I said, go and tell them to walk. Who will go and invest his money in an unstable environment? Nobody will. It's just common sense. So you behave yourself, you make Nigeria secure.
If you want jobs, behave yourselves. Kini, is it not your duty to provide us jobs? We have to behave ourselves for you to give us jobs. Who says you are not even behaving? Boo boo, stop it oh. If that stop. Stop it. Watch this video. You don't see him. That's the president of France getting slapped during a walkabout. Emmanuel Macron, yes, getting slapped. If we're to be Nigeria, well, Tete Momodu has said it. He even wrote it that if it were to be Buhari, if it was to be Buhari that was slapped, the person will die. He will die. He will be resurrected again. Die multiple times. As in, you don't get the logic. He will die multiple times. Resurrect. As Jesus resurrected. He will resurrect. Die multiple times again. And then die again if it were to be Buhari. Not be only protest. Stand up. What we do. Peaceful protest. What we do. Where we keep person throw away. Anyways, God will help us in this country.
Oh! Oh! Vas-y, casse-toi de là! Enculé!
So what do you think about, president of France getting slapped, compared to Buhari getting slapped? What do you think? Because obviously Emmanuel Macron didn't do anything to the guy, but if it's to be Buhari, obviously we're not going to die. To the northerners cutting off onion supply, here's a message for you.
They are not going to send onion for us again in this in the southeast and the south Adeboye. But today we have onion here. We can do without them. Yes, yes. Look at it though. Look at onion. Look at it very, very well. Very fine. We are very fruitful harvest, but we don't even use fertilizer, but we have enough harvest like this. We can do without them. Look at them. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing them?
Very big, very big. See the head.
Very big, mighty onion. So we can do without them. Yes. Let them go with their onion. Tell them to go with their onion.
These guys, they are feeling themselves. They don't know that we can never be stranded. Alright, thanks so much for watching. For more updates, you can follow us on our social media platforms on Instagram, Facebook, and on Twitter. Oh, Twitter has been banned. Until further notice. Okay, don't forget to subscribe on our channel here on OPC TV, and don't forget, remember to turn on your notification button, to get notified on the latest trend. You can also follow me on Instagram at cute_adasa. Yeah, that's what we are rolling now. No longer Twitter. What barrier has done to us? Oh, only God will save us. All right, I am Okpeyemi Olugbemi. Looking forward to seeing you next week. Yeah. Bye.